Good evening, traders, and this is the lecture number 3 in which we will learn about the smart money breakout traps, and we will also learn furthermore about the stop loss hunting, that how they trap the breakout traders and how they trap the other traders from the support and resistances. Okay, so if you are directly watching this third lecture, then you will not even understand anything because you need to watch my previous two lectures that are available in the playlist. Okay, so please go to the playlist if you are coming directly to the third video, and first of all watch the lecture number 1, then watch the lecture number 2 about the liquidity pools, and then come to that breakout trap. Okay, guys, so you know that I have very well explained that the support and resistance basically does not work, and they are basically a trap. Okay, so as you know that you have taken the last two lectures, and you know very well that how they break the support and resistances. Okay, again repeating, this is the resistance level, and from the resistance level what you have seen that first of all the market has simply went up, so your stop losses were at the top above the resistance, so the market has taken your stop losses, and after that you can see it has reversed. Okay, now I'm going to share you one thing. So, for example, some traders work like this, like this is the resistance. Okay, so once the market has broken the resistance, like you can see here, so what their concept is that after that they simply work on the break and retest. Okay, and then like this. Okay, yes, this is the perfect trade that you can see that this is the profitable trade, but actually this is the wrong way to trade the market. This is not a good one because these are the tactics that are used by the retail traders, and the banks know very well about these concepts. Okay, so don't worry if you watch my full lectures, if you don't skip these videos, and if you are keen to learn something, because you will not find such type of premium content on YouTube, because this is what I have learned from my mentors, and now I started teaching you, so that my community that is available on FX Mentor US, they should be profitable, and definitely those who are making the profits after even my watching the first lecture, then it's your responsibility to send me your profitable screenshots on the Telegram. If you open the description of this video, you need to send the screenshots on Telegram, so that I can share your success stories in the group. Okay, so first of all, come to the point that what we are going to talk about. We are going to talk about the breakout today. Okay, so what the breakout trading involves. Okay, so you know that on every level, like this is the resistance, this is the this is the support, and this is the resistance. So first of all, you need to develop your mind that on all levels that are available in the market, even if you pick any level, like for example this is another sport that the market has created, so any level there will be sellers available in the market and there are buyers available in the market, because this market has a lot of liquidity inside. So what is liquidity? You know very well, like you have taken a buy position with the one standard lot size, and if you just click your cross sign on your MT4 and MT5, then your trade will be instantly closed. So how does it instantly close? Because that's a method is very simple, that there is a lot of liquidity available in the market. That is why whatever the price is, even for example this is the gold 5 minute, and let's talk about this is the all time high that the market has set up at 3500. So even at this price you will also find buyers. They will be interested to buy at this price as well, and also at this point there will be also sellers available. So this market has a great liquidity inside. I mean, you can cut your positions at any time, at every cost you can cut your position. That's not a problem, because this market has a lot of liquidity inside. Okay, now what happens, now let's talk about the breakout traders. I'm writing here so that it will be easy for you to understand breakout traders. Okay, so what is their mentality? So the mentality of the breakout trader is they are always watching the break of support and the break of resistances, and the market even does not leave them. Okay, I again repeat, even if you are a breakout trader, the market will not leave you, it will come to hunt you, because you are a retail trader, and this algorithm is very, very and very smart. It's working beyond your expectations. That is why I say that watch my full videos, do not skip them, otherwise you will be missing a lot of premium content, and no other one will teach you this premium content in this way, like I am teaching you each and every concept in a simple way. Okay, now just look at this scenario. What happened? This is the resistance. The market has made a breakout. Okay, clear? This candle make a breakout above. So the breakout trader will immediately understand, oh, this is the breakout. So this is the very good time to take a buy position. Okay, so uh, as you know that they are taking the buy position here, so some traders that are doing the breakout trading, they will set, because now after the breakout they consider this level to be turned into the support. So previously it was a resistance, and some traders believe that now this will work as a support. Okay, so some will set up the stop losses here, some will set up the stop losses here, some other more traders who are more like they are not very aggressive, they will set up the losses on the lower sides. Okay, so they are entering a trade from here, and they are setting the stop losses in all of these areas. And even if we go more wide, like this is the next sport, so they can set up the stop loss at this spot. So this is the maximum mentality of the retail trader. I again repeat, when the market makes a breakout, so first of all, the breakout trader thinks that this resistance will now act as a support. Okay, so just ignore that trade that the market has went up. I will explain everything, don't worry. I will show you that how the market traps the breakout traders as well. Okay, now what happened? The market has made the breakout, it was reversed. Okay, now they have shown you a couple of bullish candles, so the breakout traders will be very happy. Oh wow, we have taken a nice trade and the price really wants to go up. And when the price reaches here, so they must be thinking, oh, we have taken a very good trade, and now the market will make a huge point at the upward side. Okay, so they blindly think that the market will immediately reach to the moon in no time. Okay, so this is how the retail trader mentality is. But just look at this, what the market has done. Okay, so keep yourself in your mind. First of all, the market has what the market has done. First of all, you need to understand, those who have taken a sell position from here, I'm not talking about the breakout traders. I'm talking about the journal retail traders. By watching the resistance, this is the resistance. So when the market it was coming up, they have shown you one bearish candle. When the market comes up, they have taken a short position exactly from here. So when they are taking a short position exactly from here, where the stop losses would be of these short traders who are selling at this level, their stop losses will be above the resistance. Okay, like this and like this up to here maximum, or might be some traders will take it down, because I will show you, don't worry. Okay, so first of all, just look at this, how the algorithm has worked. First of all, the market has taken the stop losses of the traders who were selling at this level on this resistance, and after hunting their stop losses, it has went further up, because some stop losses were available at the top. Okay, I am talking about the stop losses of the traders who were selling on this resistance. Okay, so please do not get confused with this concept, otherwise you will not understand, because I am teaching you the algorithm right now, that how actually this algorithm works. Okay, so you need to understand it properly. If you will not understand it, then it will be a big problem for you, and you will be mixing the things in no time. Okay, so those who were selling here, their stop losses were available at the top. So first of all, look what the market has done with this, with their stop losses. It has eaten all the stop losses that were available on the upper side. First of all, it has liquidated the sellers who were selling here, and after liquidation, now just look at the move. Okay, now just look at move. Why instantly, why there was a need on gold yesterday to instantly come down and coming down at the level where where the support was available, it is the clear message that I'm telling you. This is the algorithm. This is not a buying and selling pressure that you believe that the market is working on the buying and selling pressure. No, this is the algorithm. You can see it instantly came down, and just look at the speed of the candles. When the banks will enter, the speed will be exactly like this. You can see now why they have taken the speed. The method is very simple, the reason is very simple, that they those because also at this area there must be some buyers here. Let me write, otherwise you will be simply confused, because this was the sport, okay, created by the market, and on this time also there were some buyers who were sitting at this area. So now why the market is coming down to the sweep? Because already their trades were in profit. Those who have taken a buy position from here, their trades were in profit, but the market has taken a big speed. Why? The two reasons: because some of the traders who were buying at this level, their stop losses were below. Okay, just look at this, the mentality of the algorithm. Just understand the mentality, that it's trapping everyone. It's even trapping the top traders who were in sell, and it's even trapping the buy traders. Now, first of all, after this move, the breakout traders stop losses were below that resistance, and they were eliminated from the market. Okay, they were eliminated, and before that, the resistance, on the resistance, those who were selling from here, they were also eliminated. The breakout traders who have taken a buy position from here, they were eliminated because the price pushed down. And look at this, the third role, that the buyers who were sitting at this spot, and the market has made the wick, and it hit the stop losses that were available on the lower side. And it now, the situation is this, that the market has eliminated the all three formats: those who were selling here, those who were a breakout trader. First of all, it has taken the stop losses of those who were selling at the resistance. Number two, it has taken the stop losses of the breakout traders who were available here. The two of the type of the traders are eliminated, and the third type of traders who were sitting at this level, their stop losses were below. So after watching this move, some of the traders will immediately cut their trades, because they see that the market is coming down. So some of the traders cut their trades on a small profit, and those who did not cut their trades, so what happened, their trades also hit the stop losses. Now when everything is done, now first of all, let me remove those lines, because the stop loss hunting process is completed here. Okay, now let me delete those lines, because you will be otherwise confused, and it will be easy for you to understand. So guys, just look at this. Have you ever seen such type of lecture before on YouTube? I don't think so, that you have not seen such type of knowledge before, because this is the creativity that we have learned from our mentors, and now I started teaching it. Okay, now, after liquidating the all of the three type of traders, now look, this is the bank move. The banks have taken the moves exactly from here, and now just look at this ride that we have seen on gold. Now you can see, okay, now you can see here. Okay, now again, just open your mind. So this is another resistance. So definitely there would be some sellers, because as I have told you, this market has a lot of liquidity. So definitely there would be some sellers available at this resistance, and they have taken a sell position on that time. Okay, now those who were the sellers who have taken sell positions on that time, so first of all, their stop losses will be above that level. Okay, okay, and even now again, just look at here, we have the breakout traders. The breakout happened, so some traders have entered into the buy as well, but right now, till now, their stop losses are not hunted. The breakout traders are safe here, and their stop losses are not hunted. But those who were selling from this resistance, so what the gold has done with them, their stop losses were above, and their stop losses were hunted, and still you can see the market continued its pattern. Okay, now just look at another rhythm, that what the gold has done. Okay, if you go to my Telegram channel, you will see the profits I have shared yesterday that I made on my account. You will see on Telegram, and you will be simply amazed, because there are some premium techniques as well I use, and I also use my market turning points indicator, because after the liquidity is taken, you can see my market turning point indicator exactly highlights me about the selling opportunity. So how this is the liquidity? This is very simple. This was the, your sport level. Okay, your stop losses were above that resistance, because this was the resistance for the retail trader. Next time they have given you a trap candle, you if exactly from the resistance you got one bearish candle. Look at this red candle. So what happened? The retail traders, those who are the retail traders, after just looking at this candle, they entered short. They have set up the stop losses above that level, and I do not plan my trade from these levels. I plan my trades after the liquidity hunt process is done. So my indicator, the market turning points indicator, it helps me a lot because it tells me where the liquidity is available, and the liquidity process is done. I wait for the real time level from the market turning points indicator, and now just look at this move. This was simply a down. Okay, now you can see the next liquidity. Look at this. This was the sport level, but the market has come to the exactly to the that level. So might be the liquidity has hunted. Otherwise the wick should be little bit lower, but that was also a trade that I was a bit confused. But I have personally taken a buy position, and I have made the profit, because when the second buying opportunity appeared on my chart, I took another buy, and I already made a scalping chance here. So guys, this indicator is very powerful. Okay, so you guys basically use the RSI, you guys randomly use the level indicators. No, this is nonsense. This is really a nonsense. Until unless you do not get the indicator from the right person who understands his work, that how the indicators actually work, then you can be profitable. Otherwise you cannot. Okay, now I can show you a random example. Okay, now you can see this is the resistance level. Okay, now you can see the liquidity is taken, and you can see already my indicator has plotted you a sell opportunity. Okay, now just look at this one. Okay, just use your common sense. You can see this was the resistance. Okay, this was the what it was, this was the resistance. Okay, so retail traders were selling from here, but what I do, I always wait for the breakout. Okay, okay, now there were two ways. Okay, first of all, the second way, after taking the liquidity, the market can reverse. But the second level, my indicator told me that the market does not want to go down after taking the liquidity, it want to target the upper side. So what my indicator has done, my indicator has done and made a buying opportunity in real time, and we can go for the buy position, and you can see the price is up. That is why my market turning points indicator, this is not a joke. This is not a thing that you can go and look at this example. Look at another example. This is the resistance. Okay, traders were selling, but my indicator has given you a buying opportunity in real time. Look, we kept into sell, because after the liquidity hunt, the market has made up only one candle. It does not want to go into the downward direction. So how you will know? If you have this indicator, the market turning points, this indicator will tell you where the market wants to go. So go with the buying opportunity, and you are very safe with the trades. And that is why and there are some other tricks that I teach in my premium coaching, because I also have a premium 1 hour coaching, and if you want to book it, it's your choice. Otherwise you can take the knowledge from my free videos as well. You can see this is the sport level. The market breaks it, but I do not plan my trade exactly from the sport. I wait for the buying opportunity to appear, and then I can go for that trade. This is how the market works, and these levels are very, very and very strong. And if you don't believe, it's your choice. You should get an idea from my videos, that at least I know the market, that how it actually works, and we know it very well, that how the market is actually dealing with the retail traders. Okay guys, so I hope that you have understand the concept about the breakout. So never do this, because on the breakouts, even the market will trap you. Okay, so for example, let's talk about the other breakout factor from the sport area. Okay, so first of all, you can see the market has created a sport. Okay, they have shown you a bullish pressure from here. Okay, so the retail traders will be very much pushed. Oh, this is the very good sport right now. Okay, so when it comes down, okay, they have taken a sell position, their stop losses were below, and now, okay, so this is the bearish breakout. If we talk about this candle, this is the bearish breakout. So what will happen? The breakout traders will now consider this level to, because it was the previous support, and now they consider this level to be the resistance, and they must be thinking now the price will even touch the depth of the services. But actually the depth is not going to be achieved, because this was the liquidity hunt. And after hunting the liquidity, just look at this. If you follow my advice, you can see the pump is on the upper side, and because those who were sellers, their stop losses were available on the upper side. Okay, so I recommend everyone not to trust the breakout trading. At least trust me one time. At least it's my you can say that this is for my honor, that if you are learning from this platform, at least trust one time and implement these strategies, and you will know that FX Mentor has taught you a wonderful thing. Look at this. This is the sport. Okay, they have shown you one time bullish pressure from here. At the next time, what is happening? You can see this is in front of your eyes. The market is going down. Okay, so if I mark this level, so this is on 5 minutes. So just mark this level. Oh, sorry. uh, let's mark this level again, and let's see where the market is actually going. Okay, now I'm going to the 15-minute time frame. Let's see. Okay, on the 15-minute time frame, just look at this, guys. The liquidity is available at this area. Okay, and if I on my market turning points indicator, let's see, look at this. This is the correct area to take a buy position as per the market turning points, because still it has to drop. It has to drop. It will drop. It will drop. It will come, and in the area, and here we guys, those who have my market turning point indicator, they will take a buy position, and you will see the market will simply boom into the upward direction. So use your common sense. This is not a joke indicator, because sometimes I get a messages on Telegram, and traders ask me that, oh, there are many indicators in the trading world. Yes, there are many indicators. I do not care about them, because I know very well my indicator works very well. Okay, look at this. This is the resistance. Okay, okay, so retail traders stop losses are already taken, and let's see the market turning points. Is there any level? No. Now market turning points is not only based on the liquidity, it's adding so many factors inside. Now look at this. It is telling me that if you want to take a position into sell, then sell from this level. So this is the common sense. Okay, there is a lot of things. That's why I say that these are the parts that I cannot throw for free on YouTube. I just teach them in my premium mentorship. So simply, because with the premium mentorship, I also provide my market earning points indicator as well. So this is the thing. But I think if you follow my advice, and if you learn from my videos, you will be very successful. Look at this. This was the sport. The market has taken the liquidity. Now it's the time to go into the upward direction. Okay, so always take care of the breakout. Okay, breakout trading is not good. Okay, I again repeat, look at this. This was your resistance. The market made a breakout on this candle. So where the breakout, traders will set up the stop losses. They will set up the stop losses below that resistance, because for them this resistance has now act as a support. Okay, one time they made a profit, but their stop losses were below. Look at this, what the market has done. It has came to eaten their stop losses, and once the market has taken their stop losses, you can see the reversal on the upper side. Okay, and if the market is coming back to that level, it's a clear message that at this level that is available here, there were buyers available. So the market came to hunt the stop losses of the buyers that were available at that level. Or the second purpose of the market, if anyone who is sitting at this level into the buy, so before the actual move that will be the banks will take. So for example, if the banks want to take into the upward side, the market to the upward side, first of all, they will eliminate those traders who are into the buy positions from here. They will eliminate them, and after that, they will go for the real move. Because when they go for the real move, they don't like you. Keep my words in your mind. They don't like you to be in that particular trade. Okay, yesterday, what was happening on on gold? Let me show you. Okay, I can show you what was happening on gold. Look, this is the resistance. The market breaks, it was went up, I took a buy, I made the profit. I was just keeping an eye on the market turning points. Look at this. This is the level. The market did not break it particularly, but by looking at the behavior of the candles, it was clear that the market wants to go up. Okay, now look at this. Just look at this. I'm just reading the charts even like a pro. If you still don't believe that this is not a pro knowledge, then I do not care about you, because it means that you are still a beginner and you don't want to even learn. You need to change your concepts about the sport and resistances, otherwise you will be in a big trouble. Look at this. This was a sport for the retail traders. The market has made the wick, okay? And last night I have taken that buy after the liquidity hunt is done, and the market turning points indicator was there to help me. And you can see the simply into the upward direction. And last night I was buying and buying. And after that, after this breakout, the liquidity was taken, okay, and the price was making a has given me a downward break of structure, but immediately we will not sell. After looking at the price behavior by following the market turning points indicator, I made a sell position as well. I profited from sell as well, I profited from buy as well. If you don't trust, go to the Telegram channel, the link is given in the description of the video, and you can see that how I have shared my profits. And even my students are milking so hard from the trading market. Okay, now don't think that the liquidity concepts only works on the 5 minute. No, no, guys, no, it works on all time frames. Look what this is. This is a Eurocat. This was the resistance. Your stop losses were available on the upper side. Those who were selling from this resistance, their stop losses were available on the upper side. Look, the market has taken a hunt of their stop losses, and you can see it dropped. So guys, common sense, common sense. Do not trust the sport and do not trust the resistances. They're not going to work. Change your mentality before it's too late for you. This is your opportunity, that I am throwing the free course and making you guys that your eyes get opened about the algorithms, because whatever I'm teaching you right now, this is the latest algorithm that is going in the market, and I hope that you can make the profits. And if you follow my all lectures, I will be uploading lot of content on my YouTube channel, and it will be eye opening for you. So subscribe, like and share, and I will see your interest, because the more videos will come with your sharing, with your likes and with your comments. And if I will see your comments, sharing, likes, then definitely I will be making you more videos, because I know many things about the algorithms and that I teach in my private mentorship as well. Hopefully, guys, you have enjoyed this video, and with the grace of God, I pray for everyone that you should not lose anymore and you should not trust anymore about the sport and resistance. These data basically they are input to you by the banks, by the smart money, so that you should keep on working on the sport and resistance, and all the time they should keep on working on eating your money. So be careful, protect yourself from their smart moves, and be a wise trader. So hoping for the best, and looking forward to your comments, and I will be back with the next lecture. Bye.